Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, make sure the case and buds have some charge and are within a couple of feet of the device. Once done, open the case to wake the buds. This helps devices detect them faster. Press and hold the pairing button on the case for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts the Jabra Airpods in pairing mode. Do this because Discovery must be active for your phone or computer to list the headset immediately. You should now open Bluetooth settings on your phone or computer and switch Bluetooth on. This creates the wireless listening environment. Next, scan the list and find the device labeled with Jabra plus the model. Tap it to start connection. Your device and the buds exchange a handshake to agree on audio profiles. If a code appears, simply confirm it because that secures the link. Once connected, make sure media audio is enabled so calls and music route correctly. You finish by verifying audio and microphone performance. Play a short clip and switch between left and right to check balance. Then, open the Jabra Sound Plus app or device update tool to install firmware. Updates fix connectivity quirks and latency. If pairing fails, reset the buds. Hold the pairing button for 10 to 15 seconds until LEDs reset, then repeat pairing steps. One troubleshooting tip: move away from crowded Wi-Fi or Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.